Selecting and manipulating objects has been enhanced to make modeling, animating, and certain other tasks more efficient and creative with the help of several improvements. Improvements such as highlighted preview before the user make a loop selection in editable poly mode, which will work in vertex, edge, or polygon selecting mode. Point-to-point selection helps save users time by reducing the need to access hidden areas and modes to select sub-object elements. By pressing Shift on the keyboard, mouse click, and drag, users will be able to make a predictable selection quickly. While still holding the Shift key, users can continue to make additional selections on the mesh, something that was difficult to achieve in previous versions of the software. Point-to-point selection works on polygon, edge, or vertex mode. Local Align is a new feature found in the Reference Coordinate System drop-down on the main toolbar. The regular local coordinate system can sometimes give undesired results, making certain rotation and scaling difficult to achieve. By pressing Alt and right-click, user can access the coordinate-based system and find the new local aligned to get predictable results. Only applicable to the Edit Poly modifier and Editable Poly, this new Axis Align method allows artists to get a more predictable result when applying different transforms to a sub-object selection. Not switched on by default, but worth noting, the new sub-object pick simplifies the task of switching between different sub-object modes, vertex, edge, face, and boundary, by making one hotkey shift between modes. Users can assign a shortcut key to sub-object pick feature under the Customize User Interface menu, Editable Poly group. By doing so, users will be able to switch between different sub-object modes such as vertex, edge, face, and boundary while using the assigned hotkey. Working pivots has also been enhanced and can now be accessed in the right-click quadrant menu without having to get to the hierarchy panel. After editing the working pivot, users are placed in Pivot Reference Coordinate System. Edit Working Pivot has a new caddy that allows the artist to reset, accept, or cancel the modification to the working pivot placements. The new option called Pin Working Pivot, which when turned on, the working pivot stays in the same place while other objects are selected. When off, the working pivot resets its position once the artist makes a new selection. Artists can be more productive with the help of several enhancements that makes modeling, animating, and certain other tasks more efficient and creative.